12 healthy foods that will make you gain weight fast. Not everyone wants weight loss. It can be challenging for some people to gain weight, just as it can be for others to lose it. Whether the person is an athlete trying to increase muscle mass, someone recovering from a prolonged illness, or naturally underweight with a fast metabolism, gaining weight can be as hard as losing it. It is also important that you do it in the right way. Binging on Coke and donuts may help you gain weight, but it can be really harmful to health. So, what should you eat exactly? Let's talk about 12 nutritious foods that can help you gain muscle mass and subcutaneous fat, not just a bunch of unhealthy belly fat. Number 1. Whole eggs. Eggs are a good choice because of the protein they contain, which ensures that any weight you gain will be lean tissue rather than fat gain. One raw egg of 2 ounces, 50 grams, including the shell, contains about 74 calories. Also, you should eat the whole egg. The yolk of an egg contains almost all of its healthy nutrients. They can be prepared in many different ways, including scrambled, fried, poached, or as a delicious omelet. Combine them with a healthy carbohydrate such as toast, a bagel, or oatmeal. You can also add some extra fat by frying them in olive oil or sprinkling cheese on top. Number 2. Rice. Rice is an easy and low-cost carbohydrate source to help you gain weight. 1 cup or 133 grams of cooked rice contains 231 calories, 44 grams of carbs, and hardly any fat. Furthermore, rice has a high calorie content, so you can easily consume a lot of calories and carbs from a single dish. This helps you to eat more, especially if you have a poor appetite or get full quickly. According to a study done on Japanese factory workers, eating white rice for a year helps to gain 3 kilograms of weight. If you don't have enough time, simply microwave a bowl of rice with some curry. It fills you up and adds bulk to your diet. Number 3. Nuts and nut butter. If you want to put on weight, nuts and nut butter are perfect choices. Just 1 small handful or a quarter cup of raw almonds contains 170 calories, 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of good fats. Just 2 handfuls of nuts each day with a meal or as a snack can quickly add hundreds of calories due to their high calorie content. If you don't like eating nuts, you can pack in extra calories with nut butter. For example, a tablespoon of peanut butter provides about 100 calories. You can add them to a variety of snacks or foods, including crackers, yogurt, and smoothies, and turn them into a high-calorie snack in no time. Number 4. Hummus. Hummus is made from boiled chickpeas, which are rich in protein and have a high fat content. It gives you 237 calories per 100 grams, 8 grams of protein, and 18 grams of fat. Because it contains a lot of sesame seeds and olive oil, it is high in healthy fat. Additionally, hummus is a great source of vitamins and nutrients that are good for your overall health and support a healthy weight. You can pair it with baked chips, nachos, or sautéed veggie sticks as a high-calorie snack to help gain weight. To get the maximum health benefits, try making hummus at home, as store-bought hummus usually contains a lot more sodium and saturated fat than necessary. Number 5. Oily fish. Oily fish are a great source of both healthy fats and protein. Omega-3 fatty acids are the most significant and well-known of all the nutrients it provides. They help fight diseases and provide a variety of health benefits. A 4-ounce fillet of deboned wild salmon has about 170 calories and 8 grams of good fats per serving. The same serving contains 25 grams of high-quality protein, which can help with weight gain or muscle growth. According to a Korean study, eating fish and veggies can increase muscle mass. Besides just throwing it on the grill, fish can be prepared in many different ways. You can try steaming, sautéing, baking, or poaching, among other cooking methods. Include a salmon or oily fish steak with hot rice for lunch or dinner to make it more palatable. Number 6. Banana. One of the reasons why bananas are recommended for weight gain is their high calorie content. If you have a bowl of apple slices as your snack, you will get 60 calories, whereas if you have a banana, you will consume 135 calories. Bananas also contain a variety of other micronutrients. Particularly, green bananas are rich in resistant starch, which passes through your gastrointestinal tract undigested. Studies have linked resistant starch to increased energy levels and better digestive health. Combining it with other high-calorie foods like almond milk, yogurt, dried fruits, and nuts is a wonderful option for weight gain. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Avocado. Although you might think it is all about food quality when it comes to weight gain, you should really be focusing on eating better quality food. So don't just wolf down everything high in calories. Instead of candy and chips, choose nutrient-dense foods like avocados. They're high in calories and contain a lot of good fats. Just one large avocado contains around 322 calories, 29 grams of fat, and 14 grams of fiber. Avocados also contain a lot of vitamins, minerals, and other healthy plant compounds. Try adding them to your main meals and other dishes like omelets and sandwiches. One of the most popular and simple ways to enjoy avocado is by making avocado toast. Just mush some avocados and spread them on your toast. It is that easy. Number 8. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is a high-calorie snack with antioxidants and micronutrients. You can get many different types of dried fruit, and all of them naturally contain a lot of sugar, so they're perfect for gaining weight. Also, they taste delicious and are easy to eat. Despite popular belief, fruits don't lose the majority of their nutrients when dried. Most of the vitamins and minerals in dried fruits are still present, and they're also full of fiber. Consider combining some dried fruit with a protein source, such as a whey protein shake, cheese, or cuts of meat. They also go well with nuts and full-fat Greek yogurt and provide a blend of beneficial fats, proteins, and other essential nutrients. Number 9. Cheese. Cheese is an excellent source of calcium. It contains up to 7 grams of protein and 110 calories per ounce, all of which promote healthy weight gain. Since cheese is delicious, you can incorporate it into many dishes and simply add several hundred extra calories. Also, it has many different varieties, including cream, soft, and hard cheese. The type of cheese and how it is made will affect its nutritional value. For example, since older cheeses typically have fewer carbs, most calories come from fat. It can be high in sodium, so make sure to check the label and avoid consuming too much salt daily. Number 10. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is another good source of carbohydrates that helps you gain weight. By mixing bread with protein sources like eggs, meat, and cheese, you can make some simple, calorie-dense, and healthy meals. When buying bread, choose natural, whole grain, and seeded bread. Most grocery stores have healthier varieties like Ezekiel bread. The simple, most portable, and versatile meal for gaining weight is a sandwich. Your imagination only limits its ingredients. You can add meats, cheese, vegetables, nut butter spreads, avocados, and more. One of the healthiest and tastiest breads is sourdough. The live, good bacteria in sourdough feed intestinal bacteria, which improves your immune system. Number 11. Granola. A breakfast food called granola is made with oats, seeds, nuts, dried fruit, and a sweetener. You can also enjoy it as a snack. Granola cooked at home contains a lot of calories, which is ideal for healthy weight gain. Depending on its ingredients, you can get over 300 calories per serving without even including the milk or yogurt. Getting energy from protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates all in one bowl is a fantastic way to start the day. Additionally, it has a lot of fiber, which promotes overall gut health and eases bowel movements. If you want to avoid the added sugars found in most store-bought varieties, try making your own granola. Making your own granola allows you to control the amount of fat, sweetness, and ingredients according to your choice. Number 12. Dark chocolate. Quality dark chocolate provides several health benefits and tons of antioxidants. Dark chocolate containing at least 70% cacao helps to regulate blood sugar levels and stress hormones. Also, it lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, various cancers, inflammation, and stress. It has a very high calorie density, so consuming a lot of calories from it is easy. Approximately 550 calories and many health-promoting nutrients like fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants are present in each 100-gram bar, with 60 to 75% cacao solids. Dark chocolate can be enjoyed in many ways. Garnish it on your morning cereal, enjoy it with fruits, or make a steaming hot mug of chocolate milk. Make sure you buy the one with at least 70% cocoa and less added sugar. You have to eat more calories than you burn off through activity consistently for weight gain. Even if you are underweight, it does not give you the pass to eat junk food. Avoid eating lots of sugar and fat. Occasional ice cream or pie is okay, but the majority of treats should be healthy and provide nutrients in addition to calories. Lifting weights is important as well, so that increased calories from foods and high-calorie snacks can be used to create muscle rather than just fat. If you are losing weight quickly and without any reason, first go for a checkup. And after getting a green light from the doctor that you need to eat more, add these delicious foods to your diet. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!